Alright, today I am making Mama's Pho. Alright, Pho is a Vietnamese dish, and I'm going to be making today this wonderful package right here. But before I make Mama's Pho, I have to let Mama know that I'm making Pho. Mama!
Yes?
I'm making Pho.
What pho?
No, I'm making Pho.
What pho?
Never mind. I'm going to be making this right now. Alright, so this is Pho. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Look inside. Here are the noodles in here, the Pho noodles. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put the noodles in there. But first, I'm going to add the seasoning to it. Seasoning packages first because this is going to be at the bottom. And I'm going to want to dissolve. And I'm going to add boiling water to this. Alright, so I'm going to add boiling water to this. So get the water boiling. So what I'm going to do is put all of the packets in here. There's the last, this right here I think is the oil. Alright, oil's for flavoration purposes. So just go ahead and put the oil in there. Get the oil all the way in there. And then I'll go ahead and put the Pho noodles in there. And then add the rest of the crunchies if there's some in there. I'm going to zoom in close. I'm going to take my boiling water. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in here. Pour in the boiling water. And when I pour in the water, after I pour in the water, I'm going to let it, I like to mix it up just slightly. Just get some of that seasoning dissolved at the bottom. I'm going to put a lid on it for 3 minutes. Alright, so put the lid on it after you put the boiling water on it for 3 minutes. Alright, after about 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. Look at the Pho. The noodles smell great. Great seasoning. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.